Hello guys! In this video, we're going to show you how to make money with Amazon latest tips. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that you can use Amazon to sell your products and reach more customers? Amazon is known for discovering products where you can purchase online. You can use it to sell your products as a wholesaler using affiliate marketing and more. You can use the platform to make money. Start selling. You need to create an account on Amazon. First, you need to select a niche. You can conduct product research if there is a product demand on certain products on that niche and compute how much you can profit from it. Once you have selected your niche, take a look at your competitors. Check out what products they are selling, how much they price their products, and their marketing strategies for selling. Make sure that your prices can attract consumers. It should not be priced high enough that no one would prefer to buy from you. Then prepare your product description. The description should contain the keywords that potential buyers can search for so that they can discover your product. Next, use high-quality photos. Check out Amazon's image guidelines. Work on optimizing your photos, showing different angles of the product. Most consumers choose products that have good photos. It should show every angle of the product to give them an idea on how the product looks like. Next, affiliate marketing. Amazon Associate program is made for content creators, such as bloggers, who can use their platform to promote Amazon products. This is available worldwide and there is no registration fee. The content that you should produce must be evergreen so it will be visible on searches as time passes and more people will be looking to read your content. You need to have a blog site and published content-rich articles. This is best for content creators who are starting out. You can create links for individual Amazon products. You can copy the generated link and paste it on your website. Next, Amazon influencers. This program is best for content creators who have 1 or 2 social media accounts, such as a Facebook page or Instagram account. You must have content published with good activity and engagement, and also, you must have tons of followers. This way, Amazon will know that you have influence over your followers and entice them to purchase the products. This program allows you to create an Amazon store. You can see users that you can follow on Amazon. These people are using the influencers program. They can choose tons of products on their Amazon storefront. If you use your social media accounts such as Instagram, you can share posts and link to specific products that you are promoting. You can also add a link to your bio and use third-party apps that allow you to add multiple links. And you can add your Amazon store link here. Your followers can discover that you have an Amazon storefront, and it can help you increase your sales. Next, Amazon Handmade. This is a place where you can sell handmade goods. You can sell clothing, jewelry, or art. Just go to this URL to learn how to register for an account. They will give you a custom URL so it will be easier to share your link on your website or share it with your customers. To start with Amazon Handmade, go to the Frequently Asked Questions section and click on this link to sign up. Next, Amazon Merch. You can make money on this platform if you are an artist or a designer. Go to this URL to start creating an account. You can sell t-shirts or hoodies with your designs. Amazon will print, ship, pack, and offer customer service. All you have to do is create your account, upload your design, indicate your price, write a description, and the available colors or variations. You will earn royalties, and you will have a unique product page on Amazon for your designs. Next, Kindle Direct Publishing. Go to this URL to start creating an account. If you are a writer, you don't need to have a publisher for your book. Kindle Direct Publishing allows writers to self-publish ebooks print books for free, and reach millions of readers on Amazon. 70% of royalties on overall sales go to you as the writer. And there will be available hard copy and digital prints for your book. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to turn cold leads into loyal customers, we have a marketing app that can help you get more customers with cold email marketing. PursueApp is the most powerful cold email platform than any other alternative. You can run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. You can create personalized cold email campaigns, create custom email journeys for your customers, create powerful event and trigger system, and watch how your leads react to your email. Set and forget your profit cold email campaigns with PursueApp. Step 1. Create your campaign in PursueApp. Step 2. Switch on the campaign and let the mails go out. Step 3. Watch the cold leads warm up and embrace your business. So try PursueApp now. Go to getpursueapp.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.